Okay, guys, so today we are learning about multiplication and division involving a negative number. This is I think this topic is more simple than addition and subtraction because you have to think about where is the left, where is on the right side. But in chapter 2, 3 here, the multiplication and division rule, it's only like this. So if we have positive times positive, we get positive number. If we multiply positive and negative number, the answer will be negative. And if you multiply negative and positive, you will get the negative number. And last one, negative times negative is positive. And this will be same with the division also. Okay, so how do you do this? I think it's quite simple. So as long as you understand about when they multiply the same sign, they produce the positive answer or plus answer. And also applied for negative times negative, same sign, right? Negative and negative, same sign. So it produces the positive answer. Okay. And likewise, division also as well. Now, we continue next. How do you do this? Very simple. First thing first, what you need to do is try to solve the sign. Okay, focus on the sign. If we don't have any sign, you assume that is positive, right? So this is positive, this is positive, this is wait, nothing positive, right? This is positive, but I don't think we need that. If it is no sign, it has no sign, we assume that it is positive directly. Yes, Karin?
Yep.
Okay, so we try to put on the sign first. So put on a sign, equal, equal, equal. If you look at my strategy to do this, I think that you will get something better. Why? Because you focus on one uniform rule. Okay, I don't want to focus on the answer yet. I want to focus on the sign, tandanya. Okay, positive times negative will be negative, right?
Yeah.
This negative times positive will be negative also.
Negative.
That's cool. Negative times negative will be
Positive.
positive. Nice. And so on. Negative, negative, same thing. Positive. Negative, negative, positive. Negative times negative, positive again, right? Positive times negative, negative, right? So you have to follow these rules. Okay. I think it's quite simple. And negative times positive, positive. Negative times negative, positive, right? Negative times negative, positive again. So if you don't have this sign, we have to just only the bracket for example, J, F, E.
Mr.
Yes.
H negative plus times
Ah,
positive.
thank you. You're right. So I did mistake. Sorry. So negative times positive is negative. That's right. So first thing first, I focus on the sign. And second, I focus on the value. Okay, every sign is done from A until J. So again, I want to remind you, if the question don't have the multiply sign, multiplication sign, times sign, nggak ada tandanya, it's always times. Ya, pasti tambah, pasti kali, bukan tambah. Okay, so next the value, piece of cake, 2 times 6, 12. Just look at the number, okay, only the value, not the sign anymore, because we did focus on the sign. 5 times 4, 20. 1 times 8, 837. Okay, it's totally depend on your ability on memorizing 1 times 1 until 10 times 10. I think you remember it already. Okay, so it depend on your skill, right? 18, 15 times 2, 30, 3 times 12, 36, 4 times 10, 40, and 2 times 100, 200. Piece of cake, right? And you may erase the positive sign because the
So we
positive sign,
just have to
yes,
know the rules.
yep, the sign. Okay, thank you, Leon. That's a good question. So I can erase the positive one because it is not general.
Because positif nggak perlu
Nggak penting.
nggak perlu ditambahin.
Ya,
Iya, 200 doang udah dibilang positif.
that's right. So no sign means positive gitu kan yang ini. When the sign are the same, oh udah enggak ya. When the sign are the same, the answers is positive.
That
When the
mean
signs are the
normal
same.
number.
That's right, normal positive number, positive integers. Without positive. Kalau you mau kasih positif boleh nggak? Nggak apa-apa. Ya, but nggak common, not common, nggak umum. Ya, nggak biasa orang apa sih aneh banget kok positif. Ada berapa orang? Ada positif 8 orang. There are positive 20 people. I don't think it is necessary to do. Yeah. So I think it's quite simple. And I don't think I need to print screen this to you. Why? Because you know how to do about the sign, about the value. But I think I need to wait. Better print screen ya. The rules. But wait, bentar ya. Nggak perlu kayaknya deh. Sih, udah ada jawabannya. Okay. So we just, I don't have to print screen. You can access to your handout that I gave you in WhatsApp group. Yes.
Number E, like if there's only 10, so that means the answer is 10.
Yep. Negative means positive, and then the answer is 10 only. Just put the number. Okay, good question, Timmy. For part E only. Yeah, there is nothing else. And
Esther,
if you
what
don't,
about if
Mhm.
the minus 10 be only 10?
okay. Oh, okay. So the answer kalau gini maksudnya ya, negative 10. Ya udah negative 10 itself because negative means positive, right? Okay, you understand, Leon? Hello.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, cool. Kimi, do you understand? If I don't have any number, so it's supposed to be 1. Harusnya 1 dia. Okay. How about negative 5, negative 50? So as I said previously, if I have this, no sign, it means multiply at all times. Okay, so 50, right? Because negative times negative is positive, and you don't have to put the positive. If you want, no problem, but it's not common. Okay, I don't treat this as a mistake if you put plus. I nggak salahin kok. Tapi biar common aja ya, umum. Okay. Again, it's not about the score, but it's about the common. Common sense-nya aneh jadinya kalau ada positifnya. Okay, nggak umum. Next, how about division? It's totally the same. Focus on the sign, and then next, focus on the value. Sign, negative divide by positive. Different sign, negative. Negative divide by, positive divide by negative. Negative. Leon, do you raise hand? What Leon asked?
D and E and F, what is that?
Over.
Why is like that?
Fraction.
Oh,
Fraction means division also, right? So for example, A over B can be written as A divided by B also, right?
Oh, so
That's it.
it's
So you have
divide.
to change it. Yes, that's right. Or you just divide as usual, no problem. It's not a big deal at all. Multiply and division, divide, and divide can be written as like this also. You have the straight line in between the two dots, or you can just put like this, or you can just put in a fraction. Okay, it's the same. Nothing to worry about. Okay, positive. I don't want to write the sign because it's already positive, because negative and negative. Negative and positive. Negative. Positive and negative. Negative. Negative and negative. Positive. I don't want to write the sign. If you want to, up to you. So focus on the value now. Okay, we focus on the sign already, and now focus on the value. 8 divided by 2 is
Minus
4.
4.
Cool. Next. 5. Anyone may answer.
2.
2.
2.
2 again.
Oh, so this is the normal
Division.
division, but with the sign.
That's right. So you have to do one extra step. Do the sign first. Focus on the sign. 4 also. Okay. Done. I think it's quite simple.
Oh, okay. It's
Gampang ya?
simple.
Simple, right? Masih simple. Later on, you see how hard it will go.
Mister,
Oh,
Yes.
no.
what if you cannot divide? Like
If you cannot divide, for example, 5 over 3, is it?
Make it into decimal.
No need. just write like this. Same thing. Or if you want to make
Oh.
into a mixed fraction, there you go. If you want to make to a mixed mixed fraction, so convert into mixed fraction. I mean, sorry, my English is so bad. 5 divided by 3. So focus on the 5 over 3. Don't focus on the negative. The negative, just put it there at first. And then 5 divided by 3, 1, 3, subtract 2, the remainder 2. So 1 is the whole number, stands for the whole number. And 2 is for the denominator, sorry, numerator. And 3 is for the denominator. That's all. You cannot do anything, right? Again, if I do negative 1 over 2, I cannot change into a mixed fraction because it's already a proper fraction. So you can put the negative on the left side,
Mister,
1 over 2. Yes?
so if it cannot divide it,
Let it be.
oh, so just
biarin.
like that.
Bener, dibiarin aja, dicuekin.
Oh, cuma
But
ditambahin
Yeah, but-
minus atau positif depannya.
That's right, cuma dikasih minus atau positif di depannya aja. That's right. But kalau you ditanya, convert into decimal, you have to convert into decimal point something, point something. Good question, Sec 11. Okay, I hope every class will be like this, quite alive. Okay, now find the square roots. Okay, now we try to revisit. Revisit means to visit again the square root of 68. I think it's quite simple. What you have to do for question A, you put the sign square root 64 and B negative square root of 9. So square root or negative square root of 9, right? You have to convert the words into the numbers, right? Negative square root of 9. So the answer will be negative square root of 9. Don't write like this. Square root of negative 9. See? Wrong. If this, you will have to read square root of negative 9. But in this case, the negative square root of 9, right? So you have to write the negative first in order. Okay. Evaluate square root 36. Piece of cake. What times what equals 68, guys? 8, that's right. 8 times 8 equals 64, right? So 8, not 60. I just said 68. No, 64. 8, that's right. And what is square root of 9?
Minus 3.
Minus 3, but put the 3 and then put the minus. Same thing. Yeah, you can put the negative first and then the 3 later on. What is square root of 36?
6.
6. I think that this will produce more than one answer for question A and question C. How come? Because the question is asking you for square roots. What is it? Plural.
A and B.
Yeah, it can be one. It is more than one answers, right? So can I write negative 8 also of the square root of 64? This is new for you. Here, negative square root of 64 means what number times what number is equals to 64? I can write 8. Get it? But can I write negative 8 also? With the previous understanding that we got?
Hasilnya bakal negatif
Iya.
64.
Enggak dong.
Eh.
Negative times negative,
Oh iya, itu positif.
positive. Right?
Iya.
So negative with negative. So the answer might be 2.
How?
Okay. How? Kan tadi kita lihat logiknya. 100, square root of 100, it means what times what equals 100, right? The answer is 10.
10.
Gampang aja 10. But do we have another options? Negative 10 boleh
Minus
nggak?
10. Ya, negatif 10. Ya, ikut.
Negative
But
minus 10.
How? But
Positive.
how?
Oh, ini kan yang tadi. Negative 10 times negative 10. Remember, negative times negative becomes
Positive.
positive. 10 times 10, the value. Sama loh. Ya.
Hmm.
So we have two
Now I
answers.
get it.
Padahal beda 20 kan?
Kok beda 20? Bukan beda, ini multiply. You multiply the numbers,
Mhm.
right?
Bukan minus 10 sama 10 beda 20 kan?
Iya. Bedanya banyak. Ini juga sama, bedanya 16 nih. Right? The difference is 16. But it's the same because we don't talk about the difference. We talk about the multiplication. Jadi, boleh jawabnya gini ya. So I give you the idea. If I have square root of a square, so the answer will be plus or minus a. Yeah, it can be positive or negative. So you can write as simple as plus minus 8. Sama aja. Ini plus minus 6. Right? Because multiplication of the same number, same identical number, negative 10, negative 10. Kalau jawabnya begini nih salah justru. This is not the same number, right? 10 and negative 10 is not the same number. It is different. Okay? So that's
No, I
how.
get it.
Kalau
Yes.
10 minus 10 10 times
Times.
minus 10
100
berarti
juga.
hasilnya beda.
Sama dong, 100 juga.
Maksud I mean 10 minus 10 10 times minus 10.
Oh, itu beda. Itu negative 100. So nggak boleh, harus sama kan. It's supposed to be same. Right?
Hmm.
Okay, good
If
question.
it's different, you cannot write.
Ya, sih plus minus ya. Kalau beda nggak boleh ya, bener Karen. So this will be negative karena dia minta negatifnya. Kalau ini plus. Kok plus? Dia sebenarnya enggak ya? Dia sebenarnya plus minus juga ya.
Itu plus minus ya yang
Ya, ini harusnya plus minus nih. Kurang ya. So pay attention in this case, plus minus, evaluate. Oke.
kayak huruf Mandarin.
Kecuali ditanya find the positive square root of gitu. Ya, positive square root ya 6. But kalau area, for example, we deal with the word problem. Area of square is 81 meters square. What is the sides? What is the length of the side? Square root of 81, right? Kalau ini boleh minus nggak? Can we put the minus here? Bener nggak ini jawabannya?
No.
No. Why? Because the length cannot be negative. Ini word problem,
Because
jadi
it's
ada
a
limitation-nya.
meter.
Ya, you harus ngerti ya, kalau numbers biasa ya boleh plus minus. But if we deal
Numbers
with the
biasa
word problem, nggak
boleh, tapi kalau misalnya pakai jarak itu nggak boleh.
Yeah, distance
Yeah,
cannot
bukan
be
length.
negative. Length, yeah.
Kilometer cannot.
Yeah, kilometer, meter, seconds, right?
Sure.
Yes.
Never mind.
Okay. So if you have any question, just ask me directly ya. So we learn relax, santai aja, nggak usah buru-buru. How come, man? Evaluate this. Okay. So let's start. What is negative 3 cubed? So it means the negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. 3 times, right? Ininya yang 3 kali. So if I have negative 3 to the power of 4, it has to be negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Get it ya? Gampang ya ini ya. Kalau 3 ini ada 3-nya begini. Kalau ini 6
Tapi
ya tetap ini 6 gitu. Ya.
Oh, oke.
Right. So ini kayaknya agak bingungin aja. Kenapa? Soalnya 3 and 3 same number, a bit ambigu. Nah, jadi 3 ini amount, ini multipliernya, multiplication-nya. Ya. So negative 3 times negative 27, that's right. So how come? Because we deal with negative first, the sign. The sign negative times negative, positif kan? Benar nggak? Pertama, first two. Positif, terus kali lagi sama negative, becomes negative. Right? And then 3 times 3 times 3, 27. And this also applies, negative 4 times negative
But
4.
if negative 3, what is the
Power.
The small number? Oh ya,
Power.
Negative 3 power 2.
Oh, itu boleh. Jadi 9 kan?
Berarti iya 9 ya.
Bukan negative 9 ya.
Iya,
Kalau ini juga
berarti.
positif ya.
It's positive.
Right. Why? Because negative times negative, positive. Positive times another positive, right? Ini kan jadi positif, ini jadi positif. Jadi positif. Jadi nggak usah ditandain, jadi 81, right? Oke, later ini beda.
Berarti kalau genap positif, kalau ganjil.
That's right. Kalau even power positif, kalau odd power negatif. Oke, cool. Next ya. So ini masih tetap negatif. 4 times 4 times 4, 64. I memorize it. And this times this times this equals 216. What is the answer? Can it be negative, guys? Kalau cube root, nggak boleh ya.
No.
Dia harus positif semua kan. Wah, kalau negatif nanti jadinya bukan 216, tapi negatif 216. So the answer will be 6. As simple as that. Next.
Mister.
Yes.
Berarti kalau square root nggak boleh pakai negatif.
Kalau square root boleh plus minus. Kalau ini cube root, right? Kan ada 3-nya. Oke. Ayo yang D ya. What times what equals negative 8. So kita lihat aja angkanya dulu. Berapa ya? Berapa kali 8 ya? And it has to be same number. 2.
Minus 2.
But yeah, deal with the sign. minus pakainya. So negative 2.
Uh,
Oke, ini pelan-pelan aja, nggak usah cepet-cepet ya. I don't think we need to do it fast. Yes?
if the square root there's a minus thing, we also must put the minus.
Yeah, that's right. If
And there's
square
no
root,
change.
nah kalau gini gimana nih? I want to ask this question. Square root of minus 9. So what times what equals negative 9? And it has to be the same number. 3 times 3? 9. Beda, nggak bisa. Negative 3 times negative 3? 9 juga.
Negative 3 times 3?
Negative 3 times 3, is it the same number? That's my question.
No.
No, so we don't have the answer. No answer. Ya, negative square root of negative 9. Nggak boleh ya. Oke. Next. Oke, kita taruh aja bla 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 bla. Wah, coret-coret. Oh, bisa juga dia pakai ini yang waktu itu ya, yang the first meeting. 6 power 3. So 6. This is negative 2 power 3. Negative 2. Same thing. Up to you. Okay. Cube root is different from the square root because only one cube root is possible to obtain cube root of a negative. So cube root can be negative. Square root cannot be negative, right? Now, multiplication and division involving negative numbers. BATMAS. Do you know what is BATMAS? Bracket, exponent, division, multiplication, and addition, subtraction. Okay, I don't want to deal with this too much, but as long as you know the rules, BATMAS, B bracket at first. Second, if you have exponent, the powers. Exponent means power, yeah. Power. Okay, do the power. And from the left, division, multiplication. And it's the same, depend on which is on the first operator. And next, addition and subtraction. Okay, it is again on the left. So how to do this? Put the bracket first. So question A. Wait, I have to do this. Oh, okay, see. So you have to put the bracket. 15 minus 7, 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Right? And then negative 3 times 10. Negative 30. Very simple. Right? So focus on this first. Now, how to do this? Bracket again. But which one is the bracket? The inside bracket. So cube root of 64. I
Mister,
get.
coba ulang.
Ulang ya.
Hey.
Jadi pertama kan bracket dulu. Bracket means kurung, kurungnya dulu. Ya, kurungnya dulu. Berarti 15 minus 7, 8. 8 plus 2 kan duluan. Minus and plus siapa dulu? Minus dulu kan, yang paling
Berarti
kiri ya.
10.
Jadi 10, right? So negative 3 times 10. Negative 30. Right? Next juga sama.
I was kind of forget how to do the bracket.
Tapi lebih rumit.
Slowly. Ini kan ada cube root of 64. Cube root of 64 is 4, right? Nah, ini dulu 4 subtract 5 berapa? 4 minus 5. Nah, ingat ya. I have 4, I have to pay 5. I lack money of minus 1. That's right. Minus 1 and 16 subtract by minus 1. What is it? 16 minus minus 1. 17, right? Because minus becomes plus. Remember?
Plus.
Jadi 16 tambah 1, 17. And then times ya, times dulu nih. 4 cube juga boleh langsung. Oh, dia mau langsung. Okay, I give you the idea. So 4 cube means 64, right? Minus 7 times 17. Who has to be done first? Minus or times?
Minus.
Times dong. Rules-nya kan?
Times
That
and
math.
divide must be the first.
Iya, times must be the first in order. Order of operation-nya ada. Yeah, what is the order of operation? BATMAS, bracket, exponent, division, multiplication dulu. Okay, this is 119. So I have 64 and I have to pay 119. So I kekurangan duit, right? Kekurangan berapa? 119 subtract by 64. That's how I do 55, right? So negative 55. That's it. Oke, ini dia langsung aja. Practice now lagi. Yang ini. Use a calculator nanti aja, nggak usah ya. Kalau calculator no need. Later on we'll try to discuss about this. Now we do the exercise 2C. Later on I will send this to you later. Ada yang diedit dikit ya. Tadi yang kemarin handoutnya kurangin sedikit homeworknya biar nggak terlalu banyak jadinya. Oke, jadi yang ini aja. Oke,
I udah submit.
Oh udah, cool.
Ya,
Beres
I
semua.
udah submit.
Okay, I will give you
dua-duanya.
extra score then. Okay, good job for the submission. Harusnya kan next Friday. Okay, good. Thank you, Leon and Karin. So for the other, if you want to ask, don't think that your question is there. In my opinion, there are no stupid questions, no silly questions. Every questions are valuable. Why? Because as long as you sincerely ask the question and you sincerely don't know how to do, I also sincerely try to answer it also. Okay.
Mister, this is new homework.
Yes.
Yeah. To see. Later I will give you. Yeah. I will give you the PDF or the handout, the updated handout. Okay, next.
Why so many homework?
Yeah, there you go. So I erase this. Okay. Now, rational and real numbers. What is rational number and real number? What is the difference between those two things? So rational is something that has ratio or the fraction. Okay, that has a fraction. So if you see that,
Rational that not the normal number.
it's a normal number also, but ini yang tadi kita kemarin belajarin ya, saya mau gabungin. So rational number is a number that can be expressed as the ratio of two integers a and b in the form of a over b. Is this a rational number, -3? Yes, because it's -3 over 1. I can write that also, right? So whole number and every integers is a rational number. So all of this called a rational number. Okay, this is a rational number. So what you need to do is try to understand that integers, either negative, positive, and decimals, fractions, are a rational number. Some non-rational number or irrational number is only limited. There is some limited irrational number. Okay, now, okay, this will be we got serious right now for question A. How do you calculate this for question A? Before you try to calculate the fraction, ini dulu. Diganti dulu ya, slowly. 7 1 over 2 subtract 3 3 over 5. So I think I will give you the common formula, the general formula. What is general formula? Nggak usah mikir panjang. So what you need to do is try to change the mixed fraction into improper. Cool. How do you change into improper? Ingat ya, A, B over C. Pakai cara, iya, dikali-kali gitu ya. C times A plus B, right? Times plus. So,
15 out of 2.
cool. Jadi 2
15.
times 7, cepet banget kalian lebih jago nih. You are faster than me, I think. 2 times 7 for
My friend is
14,
faster.
15 ya.
18.
Wih, pelan-pelan. 15 over 2, subtract. Nah, ini
18,
hati-hati. 18 ya, 5 times 3, 14, 15, 18. And can you do this? No.
No.
You have to put one more rules. Equalize the denominator. Here, look at the 2 and 5. Bisa jadi berapa? What is the
15.
smallest number?
10.
10.
10.
That's right. So you have to multiply this by 5. You have to multiply this by 5 also. So 2 and 2 as well. Okay. So you can directly put the bracket a bit longer on the bottom because the denominator is already equal. So equalize denominator. Equalize the b or a over b. Equalize the b, or we call the denominator. And part 3, what you need to do, solve then, and we're done. So 15 times 5 is 75. Subtract 36. Okay, what's the answer? 39. Yeah, 39 over 10. This is the answer. Or if you want to change into a mixed fraction, 3 9 over 10 also can. Or you want to change into decimal, 3.9 also can. It's not a big deal. Depend on the question asking you. Okay, any questions so far for part A?
No.
How do we know it's
Okay.
minus?
Yes, Kimi?
So is it if there's like a plus and there's like a negative, there's like positive and
If
negative, so that's
if
minus.
it's different, like
Oh, okay.
if
Gimana,
it's different,
Karin?
like positive and negative, yeah, you change it into negative. If it's the same, like minus and negative with negative, you change it into positive.
Yeah, that's it. That's the rule. If you plus mid minus, if we have the different sign, change the sign become negative. If we have the equal sign, for example, for part B, let's see, part B, negative 2, 3/4. I want to answer you, Kimi. Okay, so plus mid minus becomes negative, right? That's the rule of changing the sign. 5/6. Okay, glad to see this because this is not a mixed number. And minus mid minus becomes positive, right? 2/3. So that's the rule, the previous rule, the previous meeting we discussed it already. Okay, let me know when you have any other question.
The 2, 3, 4, we change it into the
4 times 2,
fraction.
8 times, 8 plus 3, 11.
There's negative at the beginning.
Here, the question is giving you the negative, right? Get it, Kimi?
No.
The question is giving you the negative sign, so you have to put it. You cannot ignore it at all, right? I continue, yeah. So next, if you have any question again, Kimi, feel free to ask. So 4, 6, and 3. What is the nearest?
The denominator is 24.
Nice, 24. I have another smaller number, 12. Right?
Oh yeah.
Boleh ya. Yuk kalau mau 24 boleh, nggak salah kok. Not wrong at all, but jadi panjang, jadi gede angkanya.
I know.
Okay, no problem. Kalau you mau kepikiran 24 ya udah nggak apa-apa. And sama aja. So many ways to find the exact answer. Okay, we have 12 already, right? Every denominator is 12. We'll make a longer. Why? Because I want to calculate this. Negative 11 times 3, negative 33. Negative 5 times 2, negative 10. 2 times 8, 2 times 8, 2 times 4, 8, right? Okay, do it slowly because you do the order of operation. Negative 33 minus 10. You punya utang 33, you punya utang lagi 10. Jadi utangnya berapa? 43, right? Okay, negative mid negative. And then plus 8. So you punya utang 43, you bayar 8. Jadi utangnya berkurang.
Minus 35.
Ya, minus 35 over 12.
Yeah.
And ignore dulu yang negatifnya, 35/2, I get 2, 11/12, and put the negative baru belakangan. Okay? Atau you mau langsung negatif, nggak boleh negatif, 35, negatifnya nanti dulu, 35 divided by 12. Kalau 3 nanggung ya, 3, 36, memang sih deket banget, tapi nggak boleh. 2, 24, 1, right? 11/12. That's the answer. And this is how to do. And I think I need to print screen this because I don't think that we have the answer. I mean, the workings. Okay, give me a while. Wait, I need to clear this. And I have to open the Microsoft Word and I will send this to you later on. Okay, it's about, still 37 minutes. We have so much time left.
Yep.
Okay, be prepared. Langsung dikasih jawaban males ya? Nggak suka kayak gini. Nah, there you go. I give you the answer. But how do you do this? Multiplication and division is quite different. And it's a lot easier than addition and subtraction. Why it is easier?
Yes.
Because you don't have to think about the equalize the denominator. To equalize the denominator. Gak harus mikir bawahnya harus sama. Enggak. Yeah. So for question A, let's see. Just change the sign. I changed it into improper. 3 times 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. And then just multiply. Kalau you mau cara langsungnya ya, cara simpelnya 72/12. Ya, ini dia jawabannya. Terus 72/12 ya 6 lah. Gitu ya, coba hitung aja. Kalau nggak bisa simplify lagi, guys. Divide by 12, divide by 12, right? 6/1, 6 itself. And it's easy. Tapi ada cara yang lebih pinter. Okay? Means the smarter way. You don't have to multiply the huge number. You can cross out the top and bottom. Okay? Coret atas bawah, top and bottom. 8 and 3.
Oh, yeah.
Can we simplify 8 and 3? Nggak
No,
bisa ya.
8 and
3
4,
nggak bisa.
8 and 4.
8 and 4, that's right. So what number can you
Two.
divide by both? of
8
them?
into 2, 4 into 1.
That's right. 8 divided by 4 becomes 2. 4 divided by 4 becomes 1.
1.
And one
3
more.
become 1. 3 become 1.
That's right. 3 divided by 3 becomes 1. 9 divided by 3 becomes 3.
3.
So 2 times 3, 6.
6.
1 times 1 over 1, 6 again. Okay.
I always use this one. This is easier.
Yeah, a lot easier than you have to
Yeah.
multiply a huge number and producing a huge number. B.
It's so true.
Nah, ini kalau divide beda dikit, nanti saya kasih ajarin. 6
Yeah.
times 4, 12 lagi. 24 plus 1, 25.
Mister.
Yes.
This one
But
also.
if it can't be
2 out of 5.
divided,
Oh, if you can divide, just multiply aja kayak tadi. Kayak gini aja lah. Kayak biasa.
Oh,
Kalau nggak
like
bisa
that.
ya.
Changing.
Okay.
Karin gimana? B.
25 out of 6 times 2 out of 5.
How come? Kok boleh?
Iya kan kalau di fraction divide-nya itu samping itu harus diganti, dibalikin.
Yeah, that's right. So that's the idea. So if you divide by A over B, apa aja ya terserah ya, you can change into multiplication of B over A, right? Just switch. Ini namanya reciprocal. Reciprocal rule of division. Jadi nggak bisa, tapi sebenarnya bisa juga sih guys. Lihat ya.
oh yeah,
25 divided by 5, 5. 6 divided by 2, 3. Boleh juga. Ya, tapi nggak semua bisa, Tapi better pakai cara Karin ya. And 2 and 6 bisa ya. 2 and 6 becomes 1.
1, 3.
3 because you divide both of them by the same number.
1,
2.
5.
This is 1. 5 divided by 5 becomes 1. 25 divided by 5 becomes 5. So 5 times 1, 5 over 3. And you
Also
change
so the same answer.
same ya, sama aja, nggak mungkin beda.
Yeah.
So 1, 2 over 3, right? So how do you do this? 5 divided by 3 becomes 1, 3 minus 2, and this will be the remainder, and this will be the whole number. 1, the remainder 2, the divisor is 3. Okay. Again, I will send this. I will copy this also. Wait. Okay, next. There you go. What the heck is this? Later on. Susah nih. So first thing first, make from the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 21 over 4 divide by
14
negative
out of 5.
14 out of 4. So again, ini apa? Plus kan? Ya nggak, kalau nggak ada tanda. Plus divide by minus?
Mister,
Yes, Karin?
where is 14 out of 4?
Eh,
Oh yeah.
Thank you. I'm wrong. 5. Salah ya, yang salah. Bukan yang salah. 14 over 5. Because 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So, you lihat tandanya dulu. First, focus on the sign. After you focus on the sign, you can ignore it later. Positive divided by negative. Kan nggak ada tanda nih. Kalau nggak ada, artinya positif ya. So, just keep in mind, positive divided by negative is always negative. Yang tandanya tadi. What is the standard? Like, what is the sign? Plus, plus becomes plus. Plus, minus, 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 plus, minus, 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 plus. Oke, I sampai bosan ngomong, tapi harus terus-terusan. Mau multiply, mau divide, sama aja.
Mister. So,
Yes.
The 14 and 5 diputer.
Iya, karena divide kan. Kalau divide puter ya, times 5 over 14. Kok nggak ada negatifnya lagi? Kita udah urusin di depan tadi, udah dipindahin dulu di awal. So prioritize the sign, itu lebih gampang. So after you prioritize the sign, plus minus becomes negative. So you can focus on the value then. Where is the value? The value is here. And divide. So times by 5 over 14 tadi yang Leon bilang ya. Times ditebalikin. Okay, so now you try to do. You divide by 7. You divide by 7. So 3 times 5 is 15 over 4 times 2 is 8. Don't forget to put the negative. Taruh lagi. So the negative and the value will be done separately. Oke, ingat tandanya diganti aja, dipisahin aja dulu, jangan dipusingin. Oke. So 15 over 8 berapa? Oke, hitung yang kayak tadi. 187.
Oh, berarti okay.
Gimana? Kasih negatif lagi.
I got it.
Okay, good. So the negative will be on either first priority or the last priority. Terserah. Oke, kalau mau di depan, belakang. Oke. Ini 1, 3 over 4. Pokoknya prioritas kalau mix jadiin improper. 4 times 1, 4 plus 3, 7 over 4. Times 6 over 5. Oh, udah bagus, udah enak nih. 6 over 5. Nah, double sign. Ingat yang first meeting ya, previous meeting, minus. Half. Right? Next, focus on which one? Times or bracket? Bracket dulu ya, soalnya formula bad math, right? Bracket, exponent means power, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Ini gabung, tergantung siapa yang ada di depannya dulu. Which one is on the front, on the left, I mean. Okay, so 5 and 2 becomes 10. So you multiply this by the same number. And then the answer will 7 over 4 will be like that only. No need to change at all. Times 12. Ingat ya, 6 minus 2 kan, 6 times 2, 12. Subtract by 5. Langsung aja. 7 over 10. Boleh nggak? Jadi nggak usah mikir-mikir, nggak usah tulis 12 over 5 minus 5 over 5. Capek. Ya. 5 over 10 I mean. Oke, lanjut equals to. Can we cross up and down, top bottom? Nggak ada ya. 7 4 nggak bisa, 7 10 nggak bisa, nggak bisa. So 49 over 40. And the answer will be 1. Since this is improper, 1, 9 over 40.
9 out of 40.
Good. So that's it. That's the answer. Again, I will copy this. And I hope that you understand.
Mister.
Yes?
Itu harus mix fraction atau boleh normal fraction aja?
Harus improper semua. Harus nggak boleh ada mix justru. You lihat ya. Yang mix justru dijadiin nggak mix. Yang udah improper ya udah biarin aja. Jadi jangan ganti lagi jadi 1 over 5. Ya, nggak guna. Soalnya you have to...
Jawabannya itu
depend. In my opinion, you don't have to put into a mixed fraction. You mau jawaban begini aja nih. Ya, ini doang nih.
It's already correct.
Udah. But if I ask you, make it as simple as you can, so it has to be mixed fraction.
Oh,
Okay.
if the
Kalau enggak ya udah, kalau biasa aja. Calculate kayak gini nih.
ya?
Kalau kayak gini, ini bener nih, negative 15 over 8. Simple aja, biasa aja. Tapi kalau disuruh mix.
I prefer mix. From all I prefer mix. It's better.
Kalau
Kenapa?
misalnya
Kenapa
nggak
mix lebih bagus? Why mix
kalau nggak
fraction is
disuruh
easier?
tetap kalau nggak disuruh tetap dijawab pakai mix gak apa-apa.
Nggak apa-apa lah, bener justru makin bagus. Okay, so why mixed fraction is better? Because you know the sense. 49 over 40 bingung. Kalau ini kan dia tahu in between 1 and 2, right? Kalau ini 49 over 40 kebayang, susah mikirinnya. Oke, next. Udah langsung dikasih jawaban, capek kan, malas kan. Okay, use calculator later on, calculator. Nah, recurring decimal agak susah, nanti aja kita belum belajar. Nah, ini namanya non-recurring. Non-recurring or non-terminating decimals itu kayak square root yang nggak bisa dicari ya. Kalau you taruh square root 4 di sini salah, soalnya square root 4 itu kan 2. 2 is non-decimals, right? Jadi beda. Oke, jadi ini ada yang namanya non-recurring, ini recurring. Kenapa recurring? Means dia ngulang terus, repeating and so on. Kalau ini nggak ada limitnya, beda-beda terus angkanya nih.
Mister, what is that? The apa?
Recurring.
Atasnya,
No, not that one.
atasnya tuh.
Oh,
Yeah.
ini
Yeah,
namanya
that
pi.
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 Oh, pi. I know.
Oh,
For the circle, right? It's supposed to be 3.14, tapi kalau di SD, di primary, pakai pi-nya biasanya 22 over 7. Is it? Biasanya gitu ya. Atau you belum belajar circle? Udah belum? Primary.
Yeah, circle.
what circle?
Ini circle, lingkaran.
Study about the
Yeah,
area of the circle.
What circle?
Area of circle, circumference
Yeah.
of circle. Udah ya?
But I think I
Oke,
already
itu pakai
forget
pi.
about that.
Oke, later. Nggak usah. Belum lah, nanti aja. Santai lah. Ini baru numbers-nya aja. Oke. Rational. Ini non-rational or irrational number. Pokoknya yang recurring decimals, ini namanya rational. Hafalin aja. Ini understanding. Oke. Now, without using calculator, evaluate of the following. Okay. So, I got challenged with. I hate to do this anyway. But try to do. Yeah. How do you do this? Oke, langsung aja. Right.
Nanti tinggal taruh koma.
Ya, decimalsnya berapa angka? Nanti kita lihat. Kita hitung biasa. So, first thing first, ignore the decimals.
24.
Oke, ada cara mau yang lebih cepat nggak? Kalau
Gimana?
ini udah males banget kalau udah hitung begini. Soalnya ada angka kecil-kecil, wah, wasted banget. My handwriting is not so good, so I am so
Same.
confused. So, caranya gini nih, 1356 kan the horizontal nih. Terus bawahnya 24. We deal with the place value. Enak lihat begini, right? And then I put all the numbers 20 times 1000, 20,000, right? Enak kan 6,000. Ya nggak? Ujung sama ujung ya, ujung sama ujung. Kalau you mau pakai cara gitu, boleh. Oke.
100.
1,000
Oh
dong.
ya, 1000.
Kan 50 times 20. 20 times 6, 120.
120.
That's right. This is simple 4,000. 1,200. Yeah, 1,200. So 1,200 and 224. And you add all the numbers. Yang mana tambah-tambahin
This
aja.
is tiring.
Ini kan 24,000. Ini 1,800. Ini 1,200. Ini 144. You tambahin lagi, ini berapa? Yang gampang aja kalau tambah kan.
Jadi ini tambah-tambahan.
Iya.
Yeah,
3,144, right? Ini 24,000. So 27,144. So
Lebih panjang.
lebih panjang, tapi Aing nggak usah coret-coret jadi. Ya kan nggak usah tulis angka
Nggak usah ada
kecil-kecil.
number kecil-kecil.
Iya. Kalau ini how many decimal place we have?
Mister.
1, 2, 3. Tunggu ya, satu abisin dulu ya. Wait. Sorry.
144.
3.
Right? 3 decimal place jadinya. You lihat ya, pertama ulang dulu. Ini kan 1 decimal place. 2 decimal places. So 2 dp, 1 dp. Right, so becomes 3 dp. Ya udah selesai. Gitu doang.
Mister.
5 ya?
Iya, ketinggalan.
Mana
Itu
5?
ketinggalan. Yang itu ketinggalan. Kan
Wait.
ada satu lagi, 144.
Udah harusnya.
Oh, itu udah di plus.
Iya, makanya kok ada yang salah nih kayak. Tuh kan, Ayo bisa error. Ini aja masih salah. Wait, 200. 1,200. What the?
Bener kok.
Bener ya?
Ya?
Coba hitung kalkulator.
Ada panik yang tadi belum minta deh. Supaya enggak. Saya itu.
Ya, salah banyak.
Oh, Mister, the 20 times 300.
Oh, 6,000. Thank you.
Ketinggalan satu.
Ya udah. Oke, anyhow, caranya gitu sama aja. Cuman ini lebih kayak enak dilihatnya. Kalau you mau pakai cara tadi bisa juga. Sorry guys,
Tapi lebih pusing.
pusing ya.
Iya.
Kalau you biasa bisa kok. Nah, ini juga sama ya. Coba ya. Oke, kita pelan-pelan yuk. 1378 times 0.35. Jadi langsung aja 35 ya. Taruh aja. Multiply. 8 times 5. Paling males mulainya tau nggak nih? 5 times 8, 40. 5 times 7, 35. 35 plus 4, 39. Habis itu gue udah harus hapus lagi. Soalnya I hate to look at that. Right? Lanjut lagi. 5 times 3. 15. Terus miring-miring lagi. Aduh, capek. Ya udah nggak apa-apa. As you wish. Yang you pengen apa, ayo ikutin. 5 times 3, 15. 15. 5 times 1, 5 plus 1, 6. Hati-hati aja ya. Terus yang bawah warna hijau aja ya. 3 times 8. Ini kasih X. Gitu ya. Hilangin atau point. Anything. Pokoknya jangan diisi. 3 times 8. 24.
24.
3 times 2. 3 times 7. 21.
21.
3.
23.
3, 2,
3 times 3. 12.
9,
9. 9 plus 2. 11.
11.
3 times 1. 3 plus 1. 4.
4.
4.
Udah males loh lihat kayak gini. Udah nggak suka liatnya ada angka kecil ini. Pengen buang-buangin aja. I got OCD. 0, 13. Pinjam lagi sih. 9, 7, 4. So the answer will be 47930.
Mister,
Yes.
this one, the blue one, is have to be stay 6.890.
8 ya? Wait, sih. Aduh, nggak bisa hitungnya. Enggak loh. Oh iya, it. Oh man, salah lagi.
The 30 from 5 times 7 you haven't added.
Makanya. Salah lagi. Oke, bisa ya ini ya.
12.
Nggak bisa. Nggak bisa hitung begini loh dari dulu. Bener-bener I can't do this. 8 lagi, bukan? 48, 130. Nggak bisa hitung gini, bener-bener nggak bisa. Bisanya pakai yang tadi.
Pusing.
Oke lah, anyhow, dapat ya jawabannya 48,130. How many decimal place? 1, 2, 3. So 3 decimal place poinnya di sini. Okay, 48.130, or you can just simply 48.13 because the 0 on the decimal is not important. Okay, 48130. Please, bener dong. 23. Oh man, salah lagi. Ya
Kan
udah.
zero belakangnya.
Iya, tapi kan ini tuh. Tadi I tulisnya 1 loh. Ya kan?
Wow.
Saya lebih suka gini nih guys. You lihat ya, you mau ikutin boleh, enggak juga nggak apa-apa. 1,300.
Aduh.
Gak ada, nggak mau pakai cara ini.
Nggak mau, nggak apa-apa sih, no problem. Tapi ini lebih enak lihatnya. Kalau
Ini kayak tabel gitu loh.
ya, in my opinion lebih enak kelihatannya sih. So 30,000. Tapi jangan sampai taruh nolnya salah tadi, salah ya, error dikit. 2100, 240, right? 5,000 and 1,500, 350, 40. You tambahin aja semuanya. Atau you mau tambahin ke bawah boleh 35,000. Terus tambah lagi by 10,500, right? Terus tambah lagi 2450, 2450, 280. This is way easier for me. 3, 1 taruh di atas. Saya taruhnya dikit kan jadinya. 6, 10, 12. Tuh sih bisa nggak salah. Ini lebih gampang, lebih teliti. 6, 8, 4. And 48230. And put the 3 decimal place here. Sih, lebih gampang. Tapi mau terserah ya, mau pakai cara tadi boleh kalau merasa lebih gampang. Ya, up to you. Next. Division. How do you do division without calculator? Again, kalau non-calculator lebih enak kayaknya dijadiin fraction. Can I? Ingat gak nih? 92/100 because we have 2
Iya,
decimal
iya.
place. You divide by
Padahal 92 divide 100 equals
0.92 kan. This is more simple and more easily to do.
Iya.
So 92/100 you multiply by 10/4.
10/4.
And jangan dibagi, jangan dikali ya. You have to multiply. Make it simple.
1,
10.
2, 36. 46, right? Bisa lagi itu jadi 23. So the answer will be 23/10 or 2.3, right? Piece of cake.
Yeah.
Kalau ini over 1,000, right? Because it's 3 decimal place. And
This is
divided by-
easier. This is easier.
A lot easier ya. Lebih gampang dari division. Dari
Yeah.
multiplication. Why? Because multiplication we deal with big number. Kalau ini kan jadi smaller number. This is
100/15.
Iya. Tulis ulang. 100/15. So you can cross this. 100.
100.
Udah. Oke, divide by 5. Udah. Nggak bisa pikir cepet nih. Divide by 5. 1,845. You divide by 5. Do it slowly. Ya. 6, 30, 45, 369. Masih bisa, guys. Divide by 3 again. Becomes 1, 1, 2, 3. Right? Soalnya masing-masing bagi 3. Kebetulan angkanya bagus ya. 3 by 3, 1, 6 by 3, 2, 9 by 3, 3. So 1, 2, 3 over 10. 12.3. At last, I can do this without any mistakes. Okay. Finally, I can do this without any mistake, and I hope 2.3, 12.3 jangan sampai salah. Yeah, okay, good. Lucky me. Because I hate multiplication with decimal if it has a lot of number.
Yeah, I know, right?
Either. Next. Oke, piece of cake. Coba kita lihat berapa lagi ya. Oh, ini calculator aja gampang. Sisanya pakai calculator. Oke, done. One last page. This. Oke, how about this? Gampang. Ini kan udah ada jawabannya ya. So, for example, let's say do A. 32, tadi ya Kimi ask, negative, mid negative becomes plus, right? 1.6. I don't do it yet.
Ini
B
gampang.
plus times negative.
33.
Iya, minus 3.5. Kalau ini 32
33.
plus 1.6. Ya, benar?
Iya.
33.6,
Iya, benar.
right? And this, okay, agak decimal, males ya hitungnya ya. Here I give you the idea.
Minus
Kenapa negatif?
minus
Soalnya 1 minus 3 kan?
minus 2.2.
Iya. Ini jawabannya. How? 3.5 subtract 1.3, right? 2.2.
Minus,
And that's the answer.
2.2.
And for part C. Okay, this is
Coba.
getting serious. Okay.
Yeah.
Ini lagi.
Okay, 0.12 over 0.4. I want to annihilate the fraction, right? I want to annihilate the decimals. Yuk kali berapa nih biar hilang desimalnya? Biar jadi 12.
3.
No idea?
Wait, yeah.
Biar jadi, kalau nggak gini, ada cara yang lebih kuno lagi guys. Tapi jadi yuk ngerti. 0.12 over berarti 12 over 100 divide by 4 over 10. Baru yang ini guys. Oke.
Tes.
Yes, Leon?
Oh, am I lagging?
Oh, I think so. Oke, lanjut ya. So, ini divide means over means divide, and then multiply, make it a longer way. Negative 0.23, so negative 23 over 100 over arti divide lagi 6 over 10. Ini jadi lebih enak guys. Ini lihat ya. Ini 12 over 100 times 10 over 4. Ya, atau you langsung 12 divided by 4 bisa. 3 out of 10 times. Negatifnya dicuekin 23 over 100 times 10 over 6. So, you can find the answer easily. Ini jadi coret-coret. Cross becomes 1, becomes 1, becomes 3. 3 out of 10. Don't change into decimal yet. Later. Times.
I don't get it.
Yang mana?
The C.
Oh, oke. Kan dia gini.
Like that thing.
0.12 over 0.4. So you can just write 0.12 divide by 0.4. Is it? Over kan, per kan artinya bagi. Ya. So 12 over 100 divide by 4 over 10. See? Yang atas. So every decimal supposed to be changed into fraction. Itu yang biar paling gampang aja. Oke. So ini udah coret ya. So the answer will be negative 23 over 60 because you cannot make it further, and you multiply 3 times 23, 69 over 600, and you put the negative here. Why? Because positive times negative. Ini
nggak
udah
bisa,
mulai susah.
Itu nggak bisa di-divided ya, yang
Nggak bisa.
minus 60 sama 3.
Minus 6 sama 23. Oh ini.
Itu ya itu.
Oh
60
bisa.
sama
Good. Oke.
Bisa ya?
Leon.
Tapi itu minus ya?
Nggak apa-apa. Minusnya kan belakangan.
nggak apa-apa.
So kan negatifnya belakangan. Deal with negative later. Boleh nih, Leon. Good idea. Right? So 23 over 200 and put the negative, and you have to change into decimal. Gampang nih. 23 over 200 kan pasti pertama 0 ya. Right? So this is 0, you subtract 23, put one extra 0 and give the negative, give the decimal sign in this case, in this part.
1.
So it is 1, 200 again, 300, 1 again, 200, 100, put 0, 5. So negative 0.115. Okay, this is long. Again, this is.
Yep, it is long.
So long.
I want to erase this.
Ada easy way-nya nggak?
Nggak. In my opinion,
Oh,
kayak nggak ada. Belum tahu. Mungkin ada. Ya. Nah, yang di lebih gak jelas lagi nih, guys. 0.3 square. Oke, negative 3 over 10 times 3 over 10, right? Soalnya square dia.
Mister, nanti di PR-nya ada soal kayak D nggak?
Maybe. Makanya liatin. Ini lagian di record kan. Dia bisa lihat belajar juga. Times. Oke, 45 over 10, right? 4.5. Over artinya apa? Divide ya. Divide. Negative 27 over 10. Yang ini yang bracket pertama. Subtract 65 over 100. Okay. This will be 9 over 100, right? Because bracket times 45 over 10 times negative 10 over 27, right? You just change division becomes multiplication and do the reciprocal, what I said just now. 65 over 100. So, again, make it simple. Digampangin. 10 boleh coret nih, guys. Terus ini divide by 9.
1, 1.
Divide by 9 aja. Ya, 3. So the answer would be, I just go up. -9 over 100 multiply by 5 over 3 subtract by 65 over 100. Which one you have to do first? Multiplication, right?
Multiplication.
So -45. Oh, digampangin yang tadi Leon bilang. Hampir lupa lagi. Disimplify.
Iya.
Berapa, Leon?
3 sama 9. 5
Ya.
sama 100.
Good. Ini jadi 1, ini jadi 3.
1, 3.
Ini jadi 20, ini jadi 1,
20
right?
and 1.
So -3 over 20 minus 65 over 100, right? And then make the denominator equal, times 5 on the left side. Okay. Negative, ini over 100, -15 minus 65. Right. No, I think I did something wrong. Wait. Oh, lupa. You lihat, guys. Ini ada negatif ya tadi ya. Lupa taruh di sini. Jadi, positif ya. Ini positif nih. Right, soalnya negatif times negatif. Right, jadi positif. So, ini positif. So, 15 minus 65. You have 15, you have to pay 65. So, utang kan jadi
Minus
50. Dikurangin aja value-nya.
minus 50.
Right, so half kan? Done. Okay, I'm done. So you're done also.
Mister.
Yes, Leon.
Can we just answer it minus 50 over 100?
No, because it's not simple yet. You have to make it simple.
Okay.
Okay, but again, no problem if you think that you don't have to put it simple in simple way. Ya, tergantung dimintanya apa. Kalau dimintanya simple, ya bikin simple. Okay, any questions so far?
No.
Okay, so next we try to do to try to understand about the calculator use later on. Okay. Okay, and I hope everyone get the idea of this question. And please let me know when you have any question, and I will continue one more slides. So this will be the tree diagram for real numbers. So real is a real number divided into two big area, two main realm, rational and irrational. And then rational number has integers and fraction. Integers is negative whole and 0 positive for whole numbers. So integers is the good number ya, nggak ada fraction, nggak ada decimal. Fractions is the fraction itself and decimals also. Okay. And you can use your calculator in this case, leaving your answer to correct 3 decimal place. So this is 0.583. How come? Since this is the last topic, I think I need to explain you how to do this. Wait, I need to open the calculator. I have the virtual one. Wait. Here. Let's see the use of the calculator. Bang. Okay, so what you can do now is put this blah 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 over blah blah blah. Okay, you put the overs here. Right, if you can see my whole screen, I think you can see my whole screen already. And this will be pi shift this. Okay, so pi is on top of it. You harus lihat pelan-pelan. And every calculator has their different position of the certain value times 0.7 square and go right, pencet kanan atau pencet bawah sama aja, down. Cube root, where is cube root? Ini kecil-kecil ya guys. So shift cube root of 2.4 plus. Nah ini nggak boleh 1/3 over 10, nggak bisa. You harus pencet ini. You nggak boleh terus gini ya, 1/3 over 10, nggak bisa kan. So shift ini, dah you have 3. Shift fraction ada di atasnya. So why I ask you and I advise you to use this calculator, because so many things that will be different if you use another calculator. You pakai yang ini aja, itu paling benar. Okay. So 1, 3 out of 10.
Kalkulatornya aja udah bikin pusing.
Iya, ini copy equal
Mr.
0.583. 3 decimal place aja. Yes, Karin?
Mr. Can I ask where is 5? Where is the 5?
5 here.
Okay.
Okay, so I can end our meeting today. No, later on 1:30 kita doa. So I will stop the recording.